This is Early Kyler of Squidbillies, and this here be my stone cold lock of the century of the week. Woo! That baldy mustache feller had to run out and get him some deep dish pizza bagels or some other Yankee kind of mess on account of his Yankee religion, so I'm going to tell you where to lay your government money check on this week's gridiron action. Old Keith Brookin had a blubbering, babbling brooking coming out his eyeballs on account he wanted to quit last week. Me and the entire South was embarrassed than hell. Like I told my boy all the time, shut your mouth and take your beating. You change your name to Keith Cooking and get on in the kitchen like you belong. Make me some chicken fried breakfast, baby. Woo! And Bert Favre, I see a lot of myself in you, son. We both gunslingers, we both from the South, and we both stand in your back 40 when you're out of town and stare in your window at your pretty wife. And like you, I sat on the tractor thinking, should I pack it up? Am I too old for the game? But then I physically assault somebody outside a package store and I realized I ain't lost a step. But the government give all them saints a free trailer on account of that bad rain they had back a piece. Reggie Bush, just like his girlfriend, they mostly just a big bust. That was a play on words. And that Drew Brees, he got him an arm that and it's just like he's sitting up a tree and picking off some possums with a 30-06. Yep, it's gonna be a firefight. But I say the winner is gonna be Herschel Walker and his MMA karate throwdown. Go dog, sick 'em, baby! Woo! And that there is my stone cold lock of the century of the week.